Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about the qualities of leader, the divine and demonic quality of leader. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by S.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Mahaprabhupada from ISKCON temple, and this is the most authentic source and this is the best version of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And I would have to say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense it's pure book of the science and humanity. I am trying to propagate humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempt to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's start. Divine and diabolic qualities of leader. As per Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 16 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, divine and demonic natures of particular person. First, let's talk about divine qualities. The divine quality which are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which are very required, especially in a leader. For the leadership, divine qualities are required. First is fearlessness. Fearlessness, abhaita, abhayam sattvam, ahimsa satyam krodhas tyaga shanti pesunam, daya bhutesu lolutvam marvam hir chapalam, tej sama dhruti, सोचम द्रोहो नाति मान्यता पवंती संपदम देवी अभिजातस्य भारत पवंती संपदम देवी अभिजातस्य भारत. Here Lord Krishna stated fearlessness, abhaita, nidarta. Arjuna needs courage to fight the battle of Kurukshetra. Arjuna needed a courage to fight the battle of Kurukshetra. Krishna's discourses throughout the Bhagavad Gita raise Arjuna's courage and moral. Like Arjuna, like a leader, need a courage to lead a people through the change and conflict. And this courage is not just a momentary act of bravery, and it is a bravery over the time. The courage is also about the willingness to risk for the positive change and perform under the stress. Positive change, to willingness to take a risk for the positive change, and how to control, how to work in the stress. We can only learn by this courage way. And after getting a courage throughout Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna stated, Nashta moho smuti labda tat prasadam Krishna stitasam gata sandeha karishya vachanam tava. Arjuna here said, Nashta moho smuti labda tat prasadam Krishna. नष्ट मोह, जो मेरा मोह था वो नाश हो गया है. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा, जो मेरी स्मृति चली गई थी वापस आ गई. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा तत्प्रसादम कृष्णा. ये इजीली हो पाया बिकॉज ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा, बिकॉज ऑफ द सुप्रीम ब्लेसिंग ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा तत्प्रसादम कृष्णा. स्थित सम गत संदेह, जो मेरा संदेह था, जो मेरी मति मारी गई थी वो वापस आ गई है, मेरी मति स्थिर हो गई. स्थित सम गत संदेह, मेरा संदेह था वो दूर हो गया है. करिष्य वचनम तवा. लॉर्ड कृष्ण आप जो भी बोलोगे आई विल डू अकॉर्डिंगली. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा तत्प्रसादम कृष्णा स्थित सम गत संदेह करिष्य वचनम तवा. करिष्य वचनम तवा. उसके बाद प्योरिटी ऑफ हार्ट. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्वालिटी and one of the most required quality of the leader. Purity of heart. Purity of heart is not only to be gentle, kind and loving. Purity means being a pure, being a true to self and also other. For leader, purity means being a rational when it comes to the interest of the people and organization. Being a rational when it comes to people and organization. Leader needs to acknowledge wholeheartedly that they are responsible for the welfare of the people and organization, and they need to learn the power, authority and other incentives that comes with the leadership must be used for the benefit of the people first and foremost. By focusing on the people, compassion toward them, and leader achieve purity of the heart. Compassion is required. Daya, Karuna is required. बट दया एंड करुणा हर समय नहीं होनी चाहिए. दया एंड करुणा एक सर्टन टाइम सर्टन पीरियड तक होनी चाहिए. बाकी दया और करुणा सभी के पीपल we all have to show compassion only to those people who are actually deserve to get a compassion. सभी व्यक्ति के ऊपर दया, अगर आसुरी प्रकृति वाले व्यक्ति के ऊपर भी दया रखे हम तो और वो अधर्म करेंगे और ज़्यादा अधर्म करेगा. तो दया हर एक व्यक्ति के प्रति नहीं होनी चाहिए. पर रिवेंज लेना भी कोई मतलब बहादुरी वाला काम नहीं है. आराम से हमें जीना है, आराम से काम करना है, लॉर्ड कृष्णा का नाम लेना है और किसी के प्रति रिवेंज नहीं लेना है. लॉर्ड कृष्णा के लिए ही हमें अपनी लाइफ समर्पित करनी है. उसके बाद अनदर क्वालिटी ऑफ लीडरशिप, righteousness. Righteousness is a harmony with the one's virtue and morality. One's virtue and morality. Virtue and morality are usually influenced by the tradition and cultural values, experience and education. Effective leaders, whether politically, community or business leaders, need to cognizant of their virtue and values. The fundamental virtue and value influence the intent, means the consequences of the moral behavior and other day-to-day conduct. When we talk about ethics, as per Srimad Bhagavad Gita teaches a leader to lead with the highest degree of morality. Teachers, Srimad Bhagavad Gita teaches a leader to lead with the highest degree of morality. Leaders leading with the highest degree of morality are connected with the right and wrong conduct over and above self-interest and apart from the views of others and without regard the authority figures. So this is too much important. And about charity, charity is one of the best quality, one of the quality of the leader. The dictionary of definition of charity is provisions to help and relief to the poor. The donation, contribution and gift are conventional form of the charity, and some individuals are charitable for fame or for personal benefits, such as a tax breaks. Charity in the context of leaders and as defined by the Bhagavad Gita means more than donation and gifts. It means the genuine sense of the giving to the others. The charity is the act of putting the people's interest first. Charity is the act of putting the people's interest first. Sharing is another important act of charity, whether for peace or economically profitability. People must have a share of whatever reward an organization receives. Thinking of the long-term benefit of organization is another act of charity. And leaders are not only responsible for the well-being of the organization in the present time but also the future time. And social responsibilities are the other form of charity, and social responsibility is the act of giving back to society and other community. So this is all about charity. Charity is most important. And let's talk about self-control. Studies have shown that those who faced the failure handled the pressure poorly and were prone to the moodiness and the angry outbursts. The study have also shown that the successful study composed under the stress remaining calm and confident. Remaining calm and confident in the stressful condition in the depression-like situation. Self-service. Self-service is working without the motive of personal benefit. Working, self-service, selfless service, or means self-service or selfless service. Working without the motive of personal benefit or self-interest and affiliation is the self-service. Self-desire are the opposing force of the effective leaders. Self-desire are the opposite force of the effective leadership. The leader who is worried only about his own benefit can never be a truly effective. The leader who is only worrying about his or herself will never be effective. And renunciation. Many misinterpret renunciation as a simply renouncing or giving up the everything they have, include the tangible and non-intangible things and objects. They believe that one has to give up the earthly possession and desire for renunciation. The true meaning of renunciation is not giving up everything, but acknowledging that earthly possession and virtual desires are the intended to make a life meaningful. and these possessions and the desire need to utilize poorly to attain the highest goal of life. Highest goal of life. The higher goal are for the common good rather than the personal benefit. Highest goal are for the common good rather than for personal benefit only. Renunciation is the most challenging aspect of leadership. Leaders use the renunciation of authority, power, and other privilege to make the lives of the people better. So it's all about renunciation. Compassionate leadership promote the equality and fairness among the people. It helps the leaders realize the true potential of people. Compassionate leaders are successful in the leaving a large legacy as they are able to inspire their people and create the hope amid conflict and adversity. Perseverance means effective leadership doesn't happen over the night. Effective leadership grows out the strong determination over the long period of time. And means like Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for the 27 years. Even after he released in 1990, he continued to fight against the South African apartheid. And Dr. Martin Luther King was involved in the civil rights movement as early in the 1950s. So this perseverance is required most. And diabolic qualities like hypocrisy and dishonesty. This is not required in effective leadership. Hypocrisy and dishonesty. And pride and ego. This is also not required, particular in leader. Anger and cruelty. This is also not required in particular leader. Anger and cruelty. For the best example of anger and cruelty is was a Hitler, Adolf Hitler. And ignorance is also not required. And rules by senses means he has to function as per his senses. Senseless giving is not required for particular leader. And so this is all about the leadership quality as per which are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna here stated about the Muni, the quality of the Muni. Dukhesu anuvigdha manah, सुखेशु विगत स्पुह वित राग भय क्रोध स्थित धीर मुनि उच्यते. जिसका मन दुख में विचलित नहीं होता है, जो व्यक्ति अपने आप को सर्वोपरि नहीं मान लेता है, जो व्यक्ति मतलब भय राग और द्वेष जैसे परिबलों से दूर रहता है, ऐसे व्यक्ति को स्थिर बुद्धि वाला इंसान कहा जाता है. दिस इज मेंशन इन वर्स नंबर 56 chapter number 2. And when we talk about chapter number 12, devotional services, in the devotional service Lord Krishna here mentioned Yasman no dvijate loko. Listen it very carefully. This is one of the best quality of leader. Yasman no dvijate loko, lokana no dvijate yacha. Harsha marsha bhaya bhayo mukto samipriya naraha. Samipriya, by whom no one is put into difficulty. ऐसा इंसान जिसको कोई व्यक्ति मुश्किल में नहीं डाल सकता. एंड हु इज नॉट डिस्टर्ब बाय एनीवन. जो इंसान कभी कोई आसपास कुछ भी हो जाए उसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं होता है. एंड वन हु इज इक्विपोज्ड इन हैप्पीनेस एंड डिस्ट्रेस, fear and anxiety is very dear to me. This is one of the best quality of the leader which are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. उसके बाद लॉर्ड कृष्णा कहते हैं माई डिवोटी विल डेफिनेटली बिकम अ गुड लीडर बिकॉज माई डिवोटी हैज प्रिजर्व दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी. अनपेक्ष सुशीदक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यथ सर्वा परम भी परित्यागी यो मदक चमी प्रिय. My devotee who is not dependent on the ordinary course of activities, who is pure, expert, without cares, free from all the pains, and not striving for some result is very dear to me. Not striving for the result. This is another quality of the leader, not striving for the result. यो ना हर्षति ना द्वेषति ना शोषति ना कंकासति शुभाशुभो परित्यागी भक्तिमान च मे प्रिय नरः. यहाँ पे लॉर्ड कृष्णा कहते हैं वन हु नाइदर रिजॉइस नॉर ग्रीव्स. वन हु नाइदर रिजॉइस नॉर ग्रीव्स and who neither lament nor desire, one who neither lament nor desire, and who renounce both auspicious and inauspicious things, one who renounce auspicious as well as inauspicious things. Such a devotee is very dear to me, and my devotee, this kind of devotee will definitely become an effective leader. My devotee, Lord Krishna here stated, my devotee will definitely become an effective leader. Lord Krishna further said, समशत्रु च मित्र तथा मान अपमान योह, समशत्रु च मित्र मान अपमान योह, शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु समसंग विवर्जित, शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु समसंग विवर्जित, तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मुनि संतुष्टो एन केनचित्, अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर भक्त मामं च मे प्रिय नरः. Lord Krishna here said, one who is equal to friend and enemy, one who is equal to friend and enemy, who is equiposed in honor and dishonor, who is equiposed in honor and dishonor, heat and cold, and happiness and distress, fame and infamy, who is always free from the contaminating association, who is always free from all kind of contaminating association, always silent, satisfied with anything, who doesn't care for any residence, who is fixed in knowledge, and who is engaged in the devotional service. Such a devotee, such a person is very dear to me. जो इंसान अपने मित्र और शत्रु को एक समान दृष्टि से देखता हो, ऐसा व्यक्ति हमेशा बेस्ट लीडर बन पाएगा. दिस इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ द लीडरशिप. समशत्रु च मित्र तथा मान अपमानयोः, शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु समसंग विवर्जित, तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मौनि संतुष्टो एन केनचित्, अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर, अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर, जिसकी मति हमेशा स्थिर है, संतुष्ट एन केनचित्, हमेशा जिसका मन संतुष्ट रहता हो, भक्त मामं च मे प्रिय नर, ऐसा भक्त मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा प्रिय है. दिस इज स्टेटेड बाय लॉर्ड कृष्णा एंड दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ इफेक्टिव लीडर. मेरा भक्त होगा वो बेस्ट लीडर बनेगा. दिस इज स्टेटेड बाय लॉर्ड कृष्णा. सो इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेश्चंस, एनी डाउट, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.